Hey guys, welcome back to this Spring Boot tutorial about building a blog with Spring Boot. And today we are going to talk about how to introduce users, roles, and how to secure our application, our blog application. In the previous video, we had this post class right here on the left and the post repo, the block controller, and a post service as well. Now we have to secure this application, and to do this, I'm going to use OAuth 2. So on this very channel, a YouTube channel, I have a tutorial on how to set up OAuth, and this on the right side are the classes that I built to configure the authorization server. I'm not going to walk through the whole thing, just go watch the video if you're interested, or check out how to do it on Spring official documentation. As of right now, I'm just gonna copy these classes because it's pretty much standard stuff. So just for the sakes of working together, I'm gonna copy this out and I'm gonna show you the steps I'll follow. So just copy them out, grab role and user as well, copy them out to entities, paste those, then you have the user repo and the user service that you both need. So copy the user repo, the user service, and in the vanilla application, we'll have to copy out this methods right here. We can close this now and zoom out on our application. So, the only thing we have left to do is to update our POM file because I do not have OAuth as a dependency as of right now. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna copy OAuth dependency from here straight up to my new project, my blog application. Import the changes and we should be good to go. So before doing keeping up, let's check out the errors, and it's about some imports that are messed up. So just delete those and let IntelliJ do its own thing. Import the JPA repo, go on the user service, uh, remove all the imports that are not working and import the new ones. There we go. This is now working. We have a few problems here as well. It's due to the user repo that must be imported, the user service that must be imported, and the user as well. Then we have a new role. There we go. That we can set up easily enough. Okay, let me check out these things. Same here. Import the class. Import this other class. Oh, oops, something was wrong there. Probably because the authorization here is working, resource server configuration is working, so this one is complaining probably because I do not have the role class that is now working and going fine. Go back to blog application, and as you can see, we just have this password encoder problem um, because I did not actually wire this. So go on the vanilla application again. We have this auto-wired private password encoder, and we should be good to go. So our application is now secured and we can continue with our blog application. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the post class and add a private user creator to this. And I'm going to map this as so a post has one creator and a creator has many posts. So this is going to be one to many association. actually a many-to-one association, I'm sorry. And once we have done with that, we have to set up in the creation method. So when the post has been created in the publish post method, we have to set up our um, creator as the logged in user. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is go on a resource server configuration and make it so that um, the post method, so the post URI is going to be accessible just by authenticated users. By doing so, if the user is anonymous, we cannot reach this without an error. Um, Going on the post, again on the blog controller, we had this post method. So we have to retrieve the logged in user, and we can do that by doing something along the lines of custom user details equals to security context holder, get the context and get the authentication and getting the principal. We can cast this to user details. And once we have the user details set up, we're going to do something like set creator. So post set creator. We have to create a getter and setter for that. So go back here, alt insert, getter and setter for the creator. There we go. Post set creator. And we have to do something like user service, which we do not have right now. So AutoWire this private user service, user service. I'm gonna import the class and user service and get user, user details, get username. So let's get a get user right here. And this is gonna easily enough do a find by username, Just gonna do a call to the repo. And this should be it. Let's make a return statement, otherwise it's not gonna work. Go back to the block controller, and we have set the creator correctly. We have inserted the post as well, and we can return maybe a string like post was published. Make it so that it returns a string, and there we go. Let's try this out in Postman. So as of right now, if we open Postman and try to make a post request to the endpoint post and try to send, we have an error unauthorized, as we expected because we are not logged in. So let us log in. To log in, we can access the endpoint OAuth token and the grant type, set it to password, and the username, you're gonna select the username that we specified in the blog application right here. So we have, let's make it admin. Actually, I don't want to restart the server, so I'm just gonna keep it as user and password. So here you have to specify user and password. Send the request and you will have an access token. You can now use this access token to do a post request with this access token right here. The body we're going to set up to, this is a test post, and send it. You can read right here the post was published, and if we get the post, we have this is a test post right here. And as you can see, the creator is actually the user with the username user, and a password you will not be able to see. But as you can see, this is working properly. So we managed to to link together a post to its creator. Thanks for watching and have a good one.